We get the question all the time, what do you do at Titan Medical Center? So we do hormone replacement therapy for males and females. We do nationwide blood testing. We do medical weight loss. We do vitamin amino acid injectable therapies that are just niche to our clinics and patients. We also do rejuvenation therapies for skin, hair, nails, liver detox, okay? So we do a lot of different things. Everything that's gonna make you look better, feel better, and perform better, that's what Titan Medical Center does. So if you want more information about some different therapies that can help you out, give us a call at 727-389-3220. Visit us at titanmedicalcenter.com.